Greg McCann. Mowing contracting, about 32 years. Services overall is parks and reserves, 17 schools, football fields, cricket pitches, polo fields, soccer fields. Yeah, you name it, I'll do it. Yeah, a client of ours would expect us to be on the job every week, especially when you're doing schools, cricket and soccer fields. You know, you can't have a hold up, so you need a machine that's going to not break down and let you down. The company that I used to use, my last brand new mower that I brought off them, it basically fell to pieces. I brought the mower to do a high visible job like on an expressway that I was looking after for a big company. We had to pull the gearbox off, pull all the pulleys off, realign everything and get the thing back up and running. It was in the limelight with my name on the side of and I thought, nah, I've got to move on. I went to Andrew Giltrat and said, hey mate, what are we going to do here? I want a mower without belts. And that's when he got on to a major and got the ball rolling basically.
That's the beauty of this one, it's not belt driven. You don't have to worry about it, you just go. To be honest, it's actually quite an incredible mower for how it's set up and makes a beautiful job. And we're pretty wrapped with it really.
What we found with this machine was the time saving with it. So now my operator Andrew Goodwin there, he can get in that tractor and he just grinds away through it, and that's where we pick up the time.
Well, you could go into a paddock with grass like that, and if you stick it in first gear, it'll grind it off to the ground and mulch it all up, put it all out the back, you know.
It's great in the fact that being a 3-point linkage, we can back into the corners, and it saves me bringing my other little machines in to tidy up.
You can just pick it up, back in, put it down and go again, and you've squared into your corners and you're not leaving anything behind. That's pretty much a fully finished job.
When you're travelling on the road, we can fold that machine up. It's narrower than the tractor.
So you're not worrying about hanging out when you're going around corners or stuff like that when you're on the road, and it makes it nice and easy to use. You know, like it's a reasonably weighty mower on the back of the tractor, but it still travels. You know, we don't run any weights on the front of the tractor or anything like that, no water in the wheels. You don't get a lot of bounce along the road. The road's got to be very, very rough before you get to a point where you have to slow down.
The blades on it are real robust on it. Like if you hit something real hard, it's got a shear pin system there and it'll put a little ding in the blade, but it'll still mow grass like we're standing on now and give a beautiful finish.
It's pretty incredible. Like I've had people that, you know, when it's folded down like that, they can't see what's underneath it. And when you finish a job or they've come over and said, wow, that's making a really, really lovely job, they see the size of the blades under there, they're like looking at it going, well, how does it do a job like that? Great hunking looking things, and you can turn it out to like a bowling green finish.
Overall build, excellent. I can't remember the last time I've spent money on it actually. The only money that I've probably got to spend is the blades. We're getting up to probably 3 months on a set of blades, whereas the other machines we could blow out a set of blades in 2 weeks. And the blades are easy, you just whop them off and put new ones on.
With a good rattle gun, it's basically that, a socket, a spanner, and the job's done. It's way simpler than the last machine, like the greasing and everything like that's so easy. And adjustment for the height, I can adjust that whole mower in probably about 20 minutes. For day to day, this thing's just absolutely fantastic.
I'd recommend these mowers to farmers, councils, private operators. I'd put my name on that. Definitely, yep. No, they're excellent mower. Yeah, I won't be changing for quite a while.